Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into the COROS PACE 3 Sportwatch GPS. This sleek and lightweight smartwatch is packed with features designed to enhance your fitness journey. So, let's jump right in. First off, let's talk about design. The COROS PACE 3 is not just a fitness watch, it's a fashion statement. With its super light sleek 11.7mm body and a variety of band options, including this stylish white silicone, you'll be wearing it all day and night in complete comfort. Now, one of the standout features of the PACE 3 is its always-on 1.2 transflective touchscreen display. Whether you're checking your stats mid-run or just checking the time, you'll love the clarity and visibility of this display. Battery life is always a concern with smartwatches, but not with the PACE 3. Designed to maximize time on your wrist, this watch boasts an impressive 17 days of continuous daily use. That means fewer interruptions to your training routine. When it comes to accuracy, the PACE 3 delivers. With its accurate GPS and optional dual-frequency feature, you can trust that your data will be precise, even in high-rise cities or challenging terrain. Whether you're a runner, biker, swimmer, or skier, the PACE 3 has you covered with its extensive range of activity modes. You can track everything from your daily steps to your trail runs with ease. And let's not forget about connectivity. The PACE 3 syncs seamlessly with your favorite health and fitness apps, including Strava, Nike Run Club, and Apple Health. Plus, you can control your GoPro and Insta360 cameras right from your wrist. So, there you have it, folks, the COROS PACE 3 Sportwatch GPS. With its lightweight design, long battery life, and extensive features, it's the perfect companion for any fitness enthusiast. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below letting us know what product you'd like us to review next. Until next time, stay fit and stay fabulous.